melted. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that it melted. Don't gotta do the thanks. Run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. Find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment. People dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. Come on, I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate.
We could have had it all, rolling into tears. You have my heart and soul. Don't you play, you
So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I'm yours. I'm yours. Baby, you believe I'm yours. You best believe I'm yours.
Huwag mo nang isipin yun. Ang isipin mo ang pag-aaral mo. Gusto ko, first honor ka. Ayoko rin kasi maghirap ang loob mo kung malaman mo na tumigil ako sa pag-aaral para sa inyo. Ayoko naman maapektuhan ang pag-aaral mo.
Pasensya ka na, kuya.
Ano? Ha? Ikaw pa ang may lakas ng loob magmalaki? After betraying our family? We should have never let you step into our house. Do you think pinagkatiwala namin lahat ng buhay namin sa'yo? Pero pinapangako sa'yo, Victor, hindi na mauulit yon. Because we will never trust anyone outside of the family. Never!
At kaysa kayon tumigil, ako ang nagsakripisyo. Kung hindi ko man matupad ang pangarap ko, mas gustuhin ko pang tulungan kayo para matupad yun sa inyo.
Igay, kinamusta ko lang si tatay.
Walang hiya ka. Sumasagot ka pa.
Aray.
Would you cry if you saw me cry? And would you save my soul tonight?
In fairness na, totoong mahusay ah. Ang galing! Ay, malakpakan si Arjo!